The shuttle trial of the Gateway project will be testing automated shuttle vehicles that can operate as a genuine passenger service in an urban environment. And what we're doing is really giving people the chance to experience what it would be like to be driven in an automated vehicle and then make their own mind up as to whether they like it, whether they trust it, whether they can really accept it as a service in a city.
We're looking to learn more about how pedestrians interact with the vehicles. We're looking to look at how the users interact with the vehicles and what sort of level of acceptance they have from it. But more importantly, what we're hoping to collect is lots of data.
The results of the trial will be used to understand what are the use cases where these shuttle vehicles, these automated vehicles, can really deliver value for the city. What is the way in which these vehicles could be used in cities around the world. The automated shuttles that we'll be using in the Gateway project are being built by Westfield, Heathrow and Oxbotica, all of which are British companies. Westfield have huge experience in developing lightweight electric vehicles. Heathrow have all that experience in operating shuttle vehicles as an autonomous vehicle service at Heathrow Airport. And then we're using the technology from Oxbotica to enable those vehicles to operate in an unsegregated environment. So taking them from the restrictions that they have at Heathrow and operating them in a more dynamic environment in Greenwich.
The Heathrow pods are an ideal solution for the Gateway trials because of the room inside them. They're built for 4 to 6 people, but also with great accessibility for wheelchair users or bikes or anything like that. They're also really well tested, so we've run over 3 million drivers' kilometres with the pods. So it's a great platform that we can then build on for new ways of using it for Gateway.
The reason why we've chosen Heathrow is because there's no steering wheel. This is already a totally, fully autonomous vehicle, and what we're doing to it is taking it from a rail system and then we're applying it to the road. So we're actually going that big leap into a totally autonomous vehicle on the road.
Well, the shuttles will navigate in much the same way that people navigate. The 3 questions we all answer when we're trying to find our way around is, where are we now, what's around us, and where do we go to next? We have many sensors around the shuttle. We have some lasers and we have some cameras, and they're connected to our autonomous control system inside the shuttle.
It's a full British team, which is really exciting to be working with people at the forefront of the technology. We've got a tried and tested platform. We're not far away from each other, so it makes working really, really easy. And we're also very excited to be helping change people's lives in the way that they transport.
The trials are really important for the UK to be showing leadership in this space. There's a lot going on across the world in terms of automated vehicles, and the UK has a real opportunity in terms of its legal status and the funding that's coming through Innovate UK and the support from Department for Transport and the Centre for Connected and Autonomous Vehicles, all working together to make the UK at the forefront of automated vehicle technology.
I think Gateway is one of those fascinating projects. It's one of a variety of different initiatives that TRL is leading at the moment, and it's really putting the UK very visibly on the planet. That there's a whole kind of international and global leadership dimension to autonomous vehicles and driverless cars. A lot of people talk about the US being the real innovators in this space, but actually the kind of work that TRL is doing here in the UK is putting UK PLC on the map.